The part of figure 1.3, the part 1 indicates the world population of which are living into developed as well as non-developed country. With respect to that graph concern, 80%, near about 80% of world population are living in developing countries, but their energy consumption rate is about only 40% with respect to world total energy consumption. If we consider the world total energy consumption is equal to 100%, in that only 40% is energy consumed by the world population which are living in developing country, and in other hand the remaining 20%, the world population which are living in developed country, having the energy consumption rate is about 60% with respect to world total energy consumption. Means the high standard of living in the developed countries are expected to high energy consumption level. With respect to the graph concern, the part 2 of figure 1.3 indicates that the developed country utilized the energy or make the utilization of energy consumption up to 60% instead of the people who are living in non-developed country, or it is also known as developing country. Also, there is a one point is there is a rapid production growth in the developing country, rapid population sorry there is a rapid population growth in the developing countries which has kept the per capita energy consumption obviously low with respect to that of people who lived in developed countries. So by considering the overall world average energy consumption, the person consumes 2.2 tons of a coal, is nothing but the rate or nothing but the energy consumption, average energy consumption rate is given by British Petroleum Statistical Review. And with respect to that report, it indicates that in industrial countries, the people who use the energy consumption, utilize energy consumption, such energy consumption is having 4 to 5 times more than the world average and the 9 times more than the average of the developing countries. Means a person who live in developed country who utilized the energy consumption 4 to 5 times of with respect to world average and the 9 times of the average of developing countries person. Means an American person who uses 32 times more than the commercial energy than the Indian person. This graph gives such type of the information. The next point is the global primary energy consumption by fuel. This is also point we have to consider in this lecture. The graph indicate the world total primary energy consumption by fuel. There are the various types of the fuel used for generating the electricity, generating the energy. With respect to that, there are the various types like the coal, natural gas, hydropower, nuclear, oil, and others renewable energy resources. Figure 1.4 shows the primary energy consumption by the fuel in year 2018. In that, the energy produced by every energy resources are considered. Means such a measure is carried out per year and it involves all types of the energy produced from every energy resources or the sources which are applied towards the humanity effort across every single industrial energy consumption, in the energy consumption production is considered from that, as well as the technological sector are also considered into that measurement. But such graph does not include the energy from the food as well as the biomass burning, because there is no perfect measurement to measure such type of the energy and to maintain the accounting well in manner. So such type of the energy which is coming from the food as well as the biomass are not considered. So with respect to figure 1.4, we can say there are the 27% of the coal energy is considered as a total primary energy consumption by the coal. 24% of the natural gas energy is considered into this graph. Like that, hydropower electric generation power is considered as a 7%. 4% is coming from nuclear, 34% is coming from oil and other renewable resources. The energy is coming from that is considered is equal to 4%. So in next lecture we will consider the Indian scenario about the energy consumption crisis and their needs. Thank you very much.